In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design a wedding invitation on Canva. Whether you're a professional designer or just someone looking to create beautiful invitations for a special occasion, Canva offers a user-friendly platform with numerous design possibilities. So let's dive in and get started. First, you'll need to open up your web browser and head over to Canva's website. Once you're there, make sure you're logged into your account or create one if you haven't already. Once you're in, navigate to the search bar at the top of the page. Here, type in wedding invitation and press enter. This simple keyword will bring up a rich selection of pre-designed templates, perfect for crafting a beautiful wedding invitation. Take a moment to scroll through the available templates. Canva offers a diverse range of styles, ensuring there's something for everyone, whether you're going for a classic look or something more modern and trendy. Choose the design that resonates most with your vision for the wedding invite. This step is crucial as it forms the foundation of your design, so take your time selecting the one that matches your aesthetic. Once you've found a template you like, click on it. You'll see an option that says customize this template. Click on that and it will take you directly into Canva's editing interface. This is where the magic happens. The customize feature allows you to make the design truly your own by altering virtually every aspect of the template. Now that you're in the editing space, it's time to personalize the invitation with your details. Begin by clicking on the text areas of the invitation, where you can replace any placeholder text with the actual names of the couples, along with the date and venue of the wedding. Canva offers a variety of fonts, so if the default one isn't exactly right, feel free to explore and select a typeface that complements your design and reflects the tone of the event. Remember, customization is key. Beyond text, you can adjust colors, swap out background images, and even add graphics or icons to further enhance the invitation's appeal. Use Canva's drag and drop feature to rearrange elements, ensuring the layout is both visually pleasing and legible. It's all about making the invitation uniquely yours. After you've made all your adjustments and are happy with how everything looks, you're almost ready to share your creation. Canva offers a range of options for downloading your final design. You can choose to save it as a PDF for high quality prints or opt for a PNG or JPEG if you plan to share it digitally with your guests. And that's it. In just a few simple steps, you've created a stunning personalized wedding invitation using Canva. Don't forget to save your work and check if everything appears as expected. Canva makes creating elegant and memorable invites a breeze, sparing you both time and effort so you can focus on enjoying the special day ahead. Thanks for watching and happy designing.